Good morning, this Thursday, the 5th of June. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, US equities were mixed overnight. The Dow Jones dropped 0.2%, ending a four-day winning streak as lower than expected payroll data dragged down sentiment. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, however, they both are in the green. They gained 0.44% and 0.32% respectively. European markets were all in the green as well. Stock 600 up 0.47%. Now, our local market rallied yesterday as the energy sector led the market with strong gains. Paladin Energy, PDN, and Mineral Resources, MIN, they were among the top performers. And uranium stocks jumped at the open following news that one of the world's biggest technology companies has stepped up demand for nuclear power. The rise came after Meta overnight signed a 20-year contract to buy 1,121 megawatts from Constellation's nuclear plant, with power supply beginning in 2027. Now, this follows similar deals struck by peers Microsoft, Amazon, and Google parent company Alphabet. Nuclear power has emerged as one of the biggest winners for the AI-fueled surge in electricity needed for data centers. New nuclear reactors are an important source for uranium demand growth, and this follows another recent deal from Microsoft to fulfill all AI power needs for the US nuclear power plant. Also yesterday, the GDP growth rate was released. Now, GDP grew 0.2% in the March quarter following a 0.6% expansion in the prior quarter. Markets were expecting a 0.4% rise, so the data out yesterday indicated stalled growth. As for what to watch today, well, the Australian market is set to open slightly in the red. The SPI futures are suggesting just a 0.1% drop at the open this morning. And in commodities, crude oil has dropped more than 1% and is trading at $62.69 per barrel, as Saudi Arabia signaled that it may push for a large production increase, raising fears of global oil oversupply. The price of gold has rebounded, advancing 0.6% and trading at $3,373 an ounce, and approaching a one-month high as a series of weak US economic reports renewed concerns over the outlook. And iron ore has jumped more than 1%. It's trading at $96.26 per ton. Now, the price is still hovering around 8-month lows as weak economic data from China clouded the metal's demand outlook. And to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter maintain a buy rating on Elders, ELD, a leading supplier of fertilizer, agricultural chemicals, and animal health products. Their 12-month price target is unchanged at $9.10, and at ELD's current share price of $6.15, this implies a 48% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in ResMed, RMD, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $38.33 to the range of $40.60 to $41.20 over 10 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for today. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. I hope you have a great day, and as always, happy trading.